Overcasting stitch is used to prevent the edge of fabric from fraying. We will use this overcasting stitch as an example. Use the overcasting presser foot E for this stitch. Turn off the power switch before replacing the presser foot. Select this stitch pattern. The pattern number differs depending on the model. Press the Mode selection button to set to Pattern Mode. Then the lamp on the right side of pattern lights up. Press the plus button in the ones place of the pattern selection to change the ones place display to 9. Press the minus button in the tens place of the pattern selection to change the tens place 0 and set the number to 09. The pattern number differs depending on the model. Sew the fabric with the fabric edge against the guide of the overcasting foot. If the fabric and the guide are apart, it will not make a nice stitch information. Make sure to guide the fabric along the guide and sew slowly.